Hello everybody, it is Indy Meets Disney, and we have another special edition unboxing here for you today.
You might remember from a few weeks ago that we did an unboxing of a mystery Mickey monthly box, and it had some amazing things inside. Well, we've got another one up our sleeves today.
That's right, today it comes from Bibbidi Boxes, and this is a special limited edition box, Disney themed one.
Yep, so we were looking forward to unboxing this, seeing what's inside, and taking you along with us on this journey.
All right, let's do this.
We wanted to take you along on the Bibbidi Boxes website. In case you wanted to purchase a box, you can kind of see what how their website is set up. So this is their shop. They have various themed boxes, and I'll share those various themes with you in just a bit. But just to kind of see how they're broken down, for the Disney themed Bibbidi Boxes, they have lots of different levels. So you could go all in and get a simply spectacular box for these various prices. And the number of items is based on the value. You could get an Ultimate Magic Box, $119 for the subscription. For any of these, you can cancel at any time. So you can get as many boxes throughout the year as you want, or as little. You can get an Imagination Box for $99, a Fantasy Box for $59. They also have a Wishes box for $49, a Dreams box for $39. You can see there's different price points for everybody, but also different amounts of Disney items inside. A Bling box for $19. This is going to have basically pens inside of it to add to your collection. They even have a Sparkle box for only $9, which are basically custom decals and magnets. So there's lots of various options and price points on the Bibbidi Boxes website. And then to take you back to their various boxes, not only do they have Disney-themed boxes, for those Harry Potter lovers in your life, they have Harry Potter boxes. If you know somebody who loves Star Wars, they have Star Wars boxes. If you are a Marvel lover, they have Marvel-themed boxes. You can even choose to customize your own box, and that's an option as well on Bibbidi Boxes. Limited edition are one-time bundles, and that's actually what we decided to get this time around. These limited editions do change from month to month. So for this month, you can see here the various options they have for boxes. So like Disney Cats is a $69 themed bundle, but Disney Pluto, it's only a $59 themed bundle. So even these price points are different. They have 50th themed bundles, Disney Princesses this month. If you love Stitch, they have a Stitch-themed bundle. Ahsoka Tano from Star Wars, a themed bundle for her. She's kind of expensive. How interesting. They have Squishmallows, Sanrio-themed bundles. They even have Peanuts-themed bundles, Harry Potter-themed bundles. So in a bit, we're going to share with you which bundle we picked up. So stay tuned.
If you haven't figured out yet, our shirts kind of give away the theme. It's a Disney Villains box. Oh yeah, we're super excited to open this one up. So let's dive in and see what we've got.
Bum, bum, bum.
So as we mentioned, this is a Villains themed box from them. This ran us $69.99 for this limited edition box. So we're super excited, super stoked to find out what is in here.
Yeah, am I right in saying that they asked for what size we wear? So there could even be a thing to wear inside of your clothing item. So it's pretty cool. So really cool box. If we take a closer look at it in the camera, so there's different things, icons from different parks. You can see like Spaceship Earth. I believe that truck might represent maybe Animal Kingdom. There's ice cream on there. That always makes me think of Magic Kingdom. Oh, it says HTH on there as well. So Hollywood Tower. Yes. Hotel. Yeah. So lots of really cool things on there.
Small World is on there.
Small World, the grape soda from Up. So yeah, really cool box. And it's really fun to see this pop in the mail like this at your house. You know, something magical must be inside.
All right, are we ready?
We are ready. Drum roll, please. Okay. It's a nice size box.
Okay, first thing we see is some tissue paper, kind of hiding everything.
We've got lots of packaging for those gerbils in your life. Pull out the first thing.
Major item here is Ursula theme.
It goes with my shirt. What is it? I have no idea.
It is
D stage.
Diorama Stage 080 Storybook Series.
Okay.
So it's a storybook series.
Can we pause this and get some scissors here in a second so we can open it up?
Okay, so we've got it open up as far as the tape and stuff removed. We're about to pull it out of the box. As I was reading around the box, though, I noticed it says it's a 6-inch tall, perfectly matches with the scene's storytelling. Detailed exterior, professionally painted, comes with its own logo, tag, and special platform. So it looks like it's some sort of figurine that's kind of coming out of the pages of the book of The Little Mermaid. So this looks like it's going to be pretty neat. So let's open this up.
That's really cool. She is my favorite villain, this Ursula. Poor unfortunate souls. Okay, let's get her out of the plastic. She's housed in. I mean, it is safer to keep her in the plastic, but it's fun to have her out. Oh my goodness. This is really cool. Okay, so it's got a little platform at the bottom. So a little circle platform that says Little Mermaid. Literally looks like a book. That is so neat. Oh, on this edge of it, Disney's Little Mermaid. And she's got her flotsam and jetsam.
That is so cool.
I love this.
Yeah, it's really neat.
That's really neat.
It's like it's coming straight out of the pages of the story.
It definitely does. That is a very cool, very detailed little doohickey that would definitely display on some shelves. What do you think? What do you think about that villain? Ooh.
She's pretty excited. She's a fan.
I think so. Yeah, okay.
Awesome.
That's a great first thing to open up. So let's go ahead and keep digging in then.
Yeah. Oh, let's see our second item here. So, continuing the Ursula theme.
Oh.
So it is we talked about in our first unboxing with the Mickey monthly. We got our first pin. We just received our second pin. So we talked about maybe starting pin trading. So here's our second one. It's a villains themed pin, and it is Ursula. Let's check out that pin.
Can all of these things just be Ursula inside of here?
Kind of a retro painting of Ursula. So that's pretty cool.
That is really cool. Okay, we're officially pen collectors now. We have two. That makes us pen collectors. We're not pen traders yet, but we are collectors. Another nice big size box in there.
A couple of things in there.
Okay.
This one out.
So we've got a white box. This says Disney Villains on the outside of it. Not much to go by. Is it a bobblehead? Can it please be a Disney villain bobblehead?
Ooh.
No!
Tumbler maybe?
Oh, I love this.
Oh, that's awesome.
So it's a water bottle tumbler, and it's got all sorts of villains on it. So we see Ursula again, Maleficent, Evil Queen. I see Cruella de Vil on there.
Yeah, it's got the poison apple as well. Yeah. It's got Maleficent at the top of her staff.
It's got that bird.
Yep, Maleficent's bird. It's got the crown.
Yeah.
So Dr. Felicia. Yeah, that's really cool.
Ooh, very nice. That is a really cool water bottle tumbler. I can't wait to use that. That's awesome. Okay. But wait, there's more.
Ooh, Gemma.
What else can there be in here?
Oh, some cool socks. I'll be wearing these bad boys. Some Captain Hook socks.
Not if I don't steal them first.
Check those out. So some villain themed Captain Hook socks. Ice me. These be looking good on me feet. Aye. Check those out. Those are pretty awesome.
Those are some tall socks too. I feel like those might be knee highs. Knee high by the 4th of July right there.
Yeah, what do you think, Gemma?
Cool. Oh.
You're not sure what to think about those.
Not sure about these villains.
All right.
But wait, there's more.
Yep.
This is the last one. But we need to definitely learn a lesson to make sure we check all through the box, because last time we almost threw away part of the box without realizing it. Is this the last part?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, and our final object. Drum roll, please. Ooh. It's an... I think I want to call this like a little wine glass almost.
Corksicle almost?
Yeah, like a corksicle. Disney villains. It says Evil Queen on one side. It's a really interesting logo that kind of reminds me of like the 80s.
Yeah.
Like Queen. Is it the Queen logo? Maybe not. And then on the other side, it's got the Evil Queen. Ah.
Very cool.
Very cool. And it's got that lid on the top of it like a corksicle would have. So, you drinking your babas out of here? Probably not. Hey, so we had to put that co-host to take a nap, but we are back. Still bright-eyed and bushy-tailed and ready just to recap all the great things we found inside of this limited edition box from Bibbidi Boxes.
Yeah, it was a great box, and we got lots of great items in there, so let's talk about all those different items.
Yeah, you go the first one?
Yeah, so the first one, we got that awesome Ursula pen, kind of that pop retro look design there to her. So super excited to put that part of our brand new pen collection. So first item there.
And then we also got those really cool Captain Hook socks. So Cedric did notice on here that they do have men's sizes on them, sizes 10 to 13, but I've got big feet, so he might need to share no matter what. So
then next up, we got this cool kind of corksicle designed tumbler mug. It says Evil Queen on that side with that kind of 80s design. And the side kind of has this cool 80s vibe picture of the Queen along with that heart with the dagger through it, and kind of those kind of V cool 80s design shapes coming off the side there. So very cool really designed tumbler.
And then I'm super duper into this. Love this water bottle. It's got so many of the really cool characters on it. So many villains on it. I love that purple. It just kind of makes you think of like Ursula and Disney villains. So lots of great things on this water bottle. And then one of our favorites. And
the capstone, the big item in the box was this awesome Ursula figurine. So it has Ursula there, standing strong and mighty with the trident, Flapsum and Jetsam there with her, coming out of the pages of the Little Mermaid novel. It says along the bottom there, Little Mermaid. So a really cool little figurine there that we got in our box.
So would you do this again?
I would totally do this again. I'm super excited. I love that Bibbidi Box has that limited edition series each month. You can kind of get a themed base box. I love this was villain themed because we're big villain fans. So that was a lot of fun.
It totally was. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this unboxing from Bibbidi Boxes. Take a moment, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time, we will
see you real soon. Bye, guys.
Bye.